Good evening again, mga kabowlers. So, another episode. This time we got our NBA bowlers by Zuru Toys in Marshalls.
Explain.
Yeah, and to tell you a short story, my wife surprised me with this. Yeah, she's the one. So without further ado, let's go. Last time, this is the one we got, the metal ball. So hopefully, we'll get some rare today. If not, at least wala ka tayo. It's a long weekend, and at least we got something to unbox. Yep. Here we go. First ball. Whoop. So, dalawa lang. Meaning, there's an O. But the O is missing. Means it's just a comma. Okay, who is it? Oh, my baby wants to get involved. Ooh, Giannis.
You have that time.
Yeah, I don't have it. It's Giannis Antetokounmpo of the Milwaukee Bucks. There you go. Oh no. Giannis, number 34 of Milwaukee Bucks. Yeah, baby. Don't have this yet, so still a win. Ayan na si Garfield. Garfield! No! Archie, go down.
Baby,
I'm vlogging. Nah.
baby.
Archie, stay there. Archie, ah.
That's not Archie.
Oh. No. What's going on? Archie.
Hey, put him down. Just put him down. Just put him down.
So, what to do? It's part of the vlog now.
Just put him down.
It's okay. It's our baby. He's mama's baby forever. Okay, let's open the next one. So we got Giannis Antetokounmpo. Let's go. He's helping me actually. Yeah, maybe you want to face the camera. Next ball. Come on. Give me a rare. Which one? Yeah, I just got it. Nah. You're showing your turkey legs. Okay, next ball. And we have two again. So it's a common. Common. Okay. Oh. Who's this? Archie, go down. Go down, Archie. Go down.
Chichi, come here.
Archie,
Chichi.
you're blocking the camera now.
Chichi.
Okay. And we're back from upstate.
Feel the rain of your skin. What?
What is the first time happening this game? Is it? Ooh!
You have
From the Cleveland Cavaliers, I don't have. Donovan Mitchell, number 45. Yep. Donovan Mitchell. Don't have this as well. So, yep, looking good. There you go. So, Giannis, Donovan Mitchell.
Let's go. Have a drink. Let's be useful.
Let's go. Next ball. Come on, LeBron James.
Until Tuesday morning, yeah, the last overnight would Monday night is the last overnight.
Ball number 3.
Until end of the week. Okay, so yeah, we can do that. When we say end of the week, is it like Friday or Saturday?
Oh, not that one. Usher.
No problem. So it will be the last overnight will be Saturday night.
And what do we have?
Okay, sure. We will do that.
It's oops. So 2 again. So it means
Monday morning
another
of next,
combo.
which is October 7th. Which is October
Another
6th,
combo.
Sunday night. So Monday morning. You're welcome.
Okay. Ooh, orange shoes. I don't have it again. It's I have the mellow. Oh, it's is it away or home? White is home. Yeah,
So what does it mean by that?
home. Is away. The jersey is like white is home, I think, and then color
They're
is away.
away.
Yeah, not the home part. The middle ball.
How many
Still no luck. So actually, still doing good because we're getting stuff we don't have. Yep. Ball number 4. Come on, Suro Toys. Surprise me. Give me some love, Suro Toys. Come on. Bronner step. Even if it's common. It's 2 again. So come on. Ooh. Hindi siya kulot. And who will it be? Yo! I think this is LeBron. Hopefully. Pink shoes? Yeah! Woo! I knew it! Yeah, baby! LeBron James in the house! Let's go! Whoop, 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 whoop. Yep. LeBron! Yes! Kahit walang trophy, it's okay. Still, LeBron. Whoop, whoop. Ikaw ba't lang? Can you help me, please?
Which one?
It's there. Oh, okay. Last one, but not the least. Steph Curry. We got LeBron.
Kobe Bryant.
No, Kobe Bryant.
Michael Jordan.
No.
Tracy McGrady.
No.
Shaq O'Neal.
No.
Scottie Pippen.
No. Wow. You know a lot.
Dwayne Wade.
Oh, no. Whew. Yep. Ball number 5. We just got LeBron James. Now we're getting Steph Curry.
Tony Kukoc.
What the? Those are the 90s.
Yeah, you can only watch United.
Okay.
Saul Mercado. Valdavid.
Ball number 5, come on. Give me some love, Suru Toys. Oh well. What to do, Yanni? Malaki ulo. Sino ka? Red shoes. Oh, Luka Doncic. Home jersey. I think I have the away, the blue one. Oh, is it white? I'm not sure, but I think yeah. I'll check it later. So yeah, Luka Magic of the Dallas Mavericks. So white jersey. I'm not sure if I have the white or the blue, but we'll see. I'll check it later. Yep. Still good. Luka. And last ball of the day. Come on, Suru Toys. Give me some love. Yeah, you give me love for LeBron James. I'm happy with that. I can live with that. But now, give me something. Give me something. Ball number 6. Thank you nga pala sa sponsor for today, Maria Leonora.
Bayaran mo yan.
No. I have a sponsor today because I have a photo shoot yesterday and she gave me a tip. Thank you.
Nakaharap siya.
Garfield is back. Kuya.
Hindi.
Okay. Ball number 6. Come on, rare. Rare. No rare. Wala pa rin rare. But it's okay. So far, so good. Who is this? Steph Curry. Oh, is it LeBron James again? No. Oh, I think I have this one. Oh, it's Devin Booker of the Phoenix Suns. I think I have it. I don't know what color of jersey I have, but yeah, I have one already. So we'll see. Hopefully, it's not the same one. But meron na ako pang trade. Yep. And that's it for today. So we'll have a recap now. So first, we got Giannis Antetokounmpo of the Milwaukee Bucks. Then we got Donovan Mitchell, Cleveland Cavaliers. LaMelo Ball of Charlotte Hornets.
What's wrong?
Garfield is coming. LeBron James of the LA Lakers, number 23, my favorite.
Archie!
Archie,
Archie,
what up?
Archie, ah!
Archie,
Archie.
take off na ako. I'm almost done na.
Archie, ah!
Then Luka Doncic of the Dallas Mavericks. And last but not the least, Devin Booker of the Phoenix Suns.
And Archie,
And Archie.
ang Winnipeg Jets.
So that's it for today. Okay, see you next episode. Good night.